The Property Investor Show is the UK's premier property expo. This biannual event at Excel London brings an unparalleled range of property businesses, services and experts together with landlords, property investors and developers. The April 2019 show was another exceptional event. With close to 6,000 visitors, 125 exhibitors and over 85 seminars, the show offered incredible opportunities to network, gain market insights and of course buy and sell property.
I am a property investor and I was here to get the current news in the market.
I run a business landlord firm. I'm here to see what's new, learn some stuff and hopefully get some great ideas.
The exciting range of exhibitors featured investment opportunities alongside industry expertise covering all aspects of the property sector, from service and finance providers to leading developers and technology innovations.
You've got everybody from mortgage brokers, solicitors, right through to property education companies.
There are people with properties to sell, and there are all the kind of supporting services you need.
It's a great place to be, to network, it's a great place to be, to find out more information.
As well as UK companies, there was a strong international contingent. Agents and developers were present alongside specialists able to advise on all aspects of buying, selling and even relocating overseas.
It's very well informed. The seminars are thorough, the speakers are excellent, and the day's flown by.
As always, the seminar programme was a major feature of the show. A carefully selected lineup of speakers shared their expertise in a diverse programme covering a spectrum of topics. The wealth of knowledge available was designed to cater for all levels of experience.
It's really important to keep yourself regularly up to date on all the new thinking about property investment. So for me, it's kind of one of the must-shows of the year for anybody interested in the property market.
In an ever-evolving marketplace, the Property Investor Show continues to be the destination for anyone serious about profiting from property.
Great opportunity. I think if you've got any interest in property investment, whatever your interest is, you'll find something here of value.